This is 2 drawer and 1 file drawer mobile pedestal, lockable, and Hafel system here, right side slot. And this one is 2 drawer and 1 file drawer without lock, and the file drawer has these holes front and back to hold your hanging rails so that the file can be hanged. This is 4 drawer lockable, so 4 equal drawers here and lockable. This one it has a slot at the right panel for the Hafel lockable system. Okay, this is 4 drawer without lock and 4 equal drawers here. This is 3 drawers lockable, and at right panel there is a slot for Hafel lockable system. And this is 3 drawers without lock. Okay, this is 3 drawer mobile pedestals. Hello, I can get you such MPDs if you can see here. So these are the MPDs, mobile pedestals, and this MPD is with the file drawer here. Bottom drawer is a file drawer. You can attach your these file rails here, front and back, and it will you can have your files hanged there. It's lockable, that's why the top drawer is small. And the next one is file drawer without lock, no lock is here. And this one is mobile pedestal. This one is with 4 drawers, lockable, and if you see, this is lockable. Okay, and you can have a Hafel system here, right side, the slot, that rod and these locks. Similarly, this one is without lock, and this is with 3 drawers with lockable and 3 drawers without lock. So I can get you such mobile pedestals, and in Mozaik with its Multiprints, G codes, and optimization. Thank you.